I'm currently in Oswego right now, where we're getting some lake effect precipitation, but this is also a hybrid frontal band as well. As you can see this right here, this line coming through, but it is a little bit lake effect, a little bit. The lake effect event has not started yet in Oswego. You can see it's kind of coming through like a band right here. You can actually see it coming in almost like a lake band. You can actually see my current position right here, where we just got some light precip coming through. There was actually a little bit of moderate precip that occurred about a few minutes ago, about like 5 minutes ago, because it says 9:38, but now it's 9:43. So that's about 5 minutes old. So we need to like kind of refresh this. So yeah, this band is fairly weak. It's also very windy outside. It's been windy the whole day today. This whole afternoon has been very, very gusty out. Winds were gusting 30 plus miles an hour for most of the afternoon and evening. And yep, we're getting grapple right now. Yep, there's grapple coming down. Here comes the grapple again. And it's definitely lake effect type grapple. It's not snow, it's grapple. Yep. Yeah, it's really soft. It's not the hard kind. I just touched the grapple. It's very soft. It's not hard grapple. Because it is kind of melting, because it is above freezing here at the surface. And it's not particularly intense. It's not a particularly intense band. The intense stuff should be coming in like in the morning or like mid-morning. There's been a forecast for about 2 to 4 inches here in Oswego based on the models. I checked some of the model guidance, and that precip you just saw is likely from that little cell that just moved through. And that stuff that's rolling off, that might just be some flurries, because this is the cold front that's coming in now. This is the cold front. It's not going to be very cold behind, like it's not going to suddenly just become cold, but temperatures are going to decrease. I just took my final exams today, and I did pretty well on both of them. Obviously, I didn't get every question right, but I did get almost all of them right. During my both my finals today, I got almost every question right. So yeah, so right here, this is what the GFS is saying. This is the 18Z run of the GFS, showing a very powerful system coming in. I mean, look at this. There is a chance we may actually have a subtropical system, because it does form in the Gulf. But the way it forms, you really don't see a storm system coming in. But what's happening is there's an upper level system coming in. There's an upper level disturbance here. You can almost see right here. There's a 5,400 cutoff here. I mean, that's because of the mountains, but also it demonstrates that there's a cutoff flow here, that there is a upper level cold pocket. I mean, you can clearly see this right here. Upper level cold pocket. As it moves eastward, it interacts with some moisture in the Gulf, gets some cyclogenesis going. So this is forming from baroclinic processes. This is a baroclinic system. However, it shows that it's going to be slightly warm cored. It's going to be a warm core event. And then it shows an upper level system right here in New York. I mean, in the mid-Atlantic. Cold air aloft, but cut off from the jet stream. This is a cut off low right here. Initially part of the jet stream, but then it cuts off from this. It cuts off. This model has, the grapple started again. So I'm going to be streaming this on the PC in a little bit, but let's look outside again. Looks like the grapple just started again. Ooh, a little heavier this time. Grapple is a little heavier. Still very soft. This is soft grapple. Yep, very soft. Yeah, this is soft grapple. Still pinging. Still making some noise. Yeah, this is very soft grapple. It's actually kind of snowy. It's not like